Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound dollar monthly, we are definitely going down right now. Like I've been saying, if this is a running correction, then it definitely could make a higher low compared to this low here, and end up doing something like that and continuing up from here. If it's an expanding correction, then it would more likely go down into the 161, 178 area before it actually does end up continuing up. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where I still think this is very clearly three waves down over here, three waves up over here, and we're more than likely in a five-way pattern or another three-way pattern to the downside. More than likely, it's probably going to be a five-way pattern. Now, like I said, if it's a running flat, then the 100% would be my most likely area for this to turn back up. If it's an expanding flat, then it would more likely go down to like the 161, 178 before it made that 3, 4, 5 same breaker structure and ended up continuing the uptrend from there. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, if this is a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3, then it's way too small to be a complete wave 3. So if it does go up and end up breaking structure to the upside, that's going to kind of invalidate the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scenario. That would tells us that we're probably more likely in like three waves of a wave W for another three-way pattern. So that means that the monthly would be a 3-3-3 pattern instead of a 3-3-5 pattern. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So the trend is definitely still down for sure. As long as it does not break this level right here, this structure level, then the trend is definitely still down. This for sure still could be a wave A. This for sure still could be a B. We may just be in a wave C right now. It might just go into one of these fib levels and then turn back to the downside. Like I was saying on the daily, if this is a wave 3, then it has a lot of downside potential. If it is not a wave 3 and it's actually another 3-3-3 pattern on the monthly, then it could possibly go up and break structure and start a correction to the move down on the daily time frame. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, with this most recent push up, I think what's going on here is we do have the five waves here, like I was saying yesterday for the A, three waves down. But I think what ended up happening is this is three waves of A, probably a B, and then probably a C. So this is like an A, B, C, a B, and we're probably still in a wave C. So if it does go up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, make a nice impulsive move down, nice engulfing move down, especially if you see like a nice breaker structure, then I would definitely still take it as a sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend. On the other hand, if it does decide to go up and break this structure, then I would be more than happy to stop looking for shorts and start looking for buys, most likely trading a wave B of a 3-3-3 pattern on the monthly time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.